All right, so a lot of you have been asking about how to simplify using our two new rules. We have two rules. We have zero pairs, which is opposite tiles, same side. We have balance sets, which is same tile on the opposite sides. Now, I'm going to start over here with some zero pairs. All that means is if I have a set of tiles that are opposite to each other, I can take them off the board because they count as zero. So I can go through and I can take away all my zero pairs from the board, which I am simplifying there. Now, once I am done with my zero pairs, I can go ahead and check out my balance set. A balance set is pretty simple. If you have a tile that both sides share, mat A or mat B, you can take them off of the board. And as you keep going, you end up simplifying all the balance sets. Now, if there's anything left, I don't think so. So I would say we're done. Now, what I'm left with on this side is -1. And what I'm left with on this side is 3. So I would say that mat A is bigger. These two things are just here to help us simplify expressions. Right now we're using algebra tiles, we'll later be using expressions themselves. So hopefully this helps and guides you along